our mini project, we make 3 different designs of water filtration. By measuring the height of materials using a ruler, we use the same height, which is 4 cm for all the 3 designs for gravel and sand. But for the fine charcoal, we use different height. For design 1, we use 3 cm, and then design 2 we use 5 cm, and then design 3 for the fine charcoal we use 10 cm. Here are all the things that we need for our mini project. Water sample that we have been prepared, an empty 1.5 liter bottle, and then we cut it into like this. Gravel, sand, and then very fine charcoal, cotton pad, pH strip, ruler, and color chart.
Hi! So today I'm gonna show you how I prepare water sample. So in front of me right now, I have 1 liter of tap water, an empty bottle, a spoon, and fine sand. First, take a spoon of fine sand and put into the empty bottle. So next, fill in the empty bottle with 1 liter of tap water. Next step, we shake the bottle.
In order to prepare activated carbon, we need a charcoal, the crushing tool, filter. So, the first step is to crush the charcoal until it becomes fine. Now, we need to use filter to sieve the fine charcoal. And it will produce activated carbon.
The procedure of this experiment. Firstly, hold the bottle on an upright position. Then, insert 3 pieces of cotton at the tip of the bottle. We will now arrange our materials from fine to coarse. We will arrange them in the order of cool, sand, and coarse grain or rocks. Then, pour the water sample into the bottle. Make sure to include the sediment. This here is the end result of this experiment. You can see it is still filtering the water sample. We will repeat this experiment explained earlier using different thickness of coal.
There is 3 parameters that we need to identify, which is the pH of the water sample, the turbidity of the water sample, and also the total solid suspended by the water sample before the experiment. So for the first parameter, to test the pH of the water sample, we need a pH strip provided. Take out the pH strip, and then we put it inside the water sample. We need to compare the color coding. To test on turbidity, first we need the color palette as a reference. Then we need to compare the color palette and our water sample before and after. To test on total suspended solid, we need to pour the water sample before and after onto a cotton pad and leave it for at least 1 hour to dry. After 1 hour, snap the result.
The result in the table shows the comparison between the use of different depth of active carbon can get the different result in wastewater treatment. Apart from that, the other parameters such as the pH level shows no sign of changes. The result obtained for all design is in pH 7, which is natural. This is because the water sample is used in this experiment is tap water mixed with the fine sand. The sand does not give impact to the tap water. Last but not least, the best design among those 3 designs is design number 3.
So, from the water purification system that we have done, which is bottled water filtration system, we can conclude that the higher the depth of activated carbon, the cleaner and clearer the raw water will be. And this is proven through parameter testing, where the raw water quality after filtered is much better compared to the raw water quality before filtered. So that concludes our videos. Thank you so much and have a great day.